Hello everyone, how are you?
We are fine. You?
I'm also fine, thanks for asking. So today is our phonics class, right?
Yeah.
Is it our phonics class?
Yeah.
Okay, it sounds great. So today we're going to study CBC words. Already you have mastered letter sounds, I mean phonics. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, I would like to read the sentences. I mean words.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. K at a cat. B at a bat. M at a mat. H at a hat. B at a bed. B it a beat. B at a butt. At a cut. D at a dat. K at a cat. B at a bat. B and a ban. Okay. Who can tell this word? Who can pronounce? Who? Sanjoy, can you pronounce? Okay, stand up and tell. Give big hands. Okay, who is next? Okay, stand up. What is this? Tell. Pronounce. Big hands. Okay. Who can tell? Who can pronounce this? Okay. Ba. Oh no, it would be. Yes, ba after but. Okay, you know that we will make the mistakes. We have the liberty to make the mistakes. I even also make mistakes. Mistakes are our lessons. We'll learn through mistakes. You got it? Thank you. So this is how we learn CBC word and how to pronounce through phonics. Thank you. Good try. Though you are from the nursery class, but you are trying your best. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.